Hi there, this is Tom Myers of Anatomy Trains. I'm at home in my library, stuck at home like everybody else, and I really want to draw your attention to our upcoming dissection in the middle of June. I rarely give unqualified endorsement to a course, even a course that I'm running, but we took the courses that we've been running for years, dissection courses in the laboratories of anatomical enlightenment in Boulder, Colorado, and responding to the needs of the times, we put it online. And this turned out to be, I was worried about putting it online. It turned out to be an amazing educational experience. We're repeating it in June. I really can unqualifiedly recommend that you take this course. You're going to be literally looking over the shoulder of one of the best dissectors in the land, and he will unfold the fascial body for you. Give us 16 hours. We will show you the body with emphasis on fascia, the anatomy trains, joints, but also the meninges and what holds the organs. See the whole thing. Come on along with this. It's an amazing journey. You have Todd's skill. You're stuck with my commentary, and but I'll be drawing in from evolution and embryology and anthropology and all the different things that go into making a body. So hope to see you there. It's an amazing experience. It'll be worth your time. Thanks.